Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Crypto Bull channel with me, your host, William. Guys, it's been a while since we've done a blind taste test into the world of crypto and the cool projects. I found something while I was searching around, and I thought it would be cool to go through it together from scratch. Yes, so down in the description you can find all the links to this beautiful stuff. If you want, grab that link, click on it, and then pull it up and follow along with me, or just kick back and let me do all the dirty work. Whatever makes you feel good, but I found this one. It's called Infinite Money Glitch. IMG, guys, IMG. Here we go. All right, guys, before I get started, though, if you're new here, I'm not a financial advisor, never have been, and I will never claim to be. So if you're here for financial advice, please go to a different channel or stick around and get advice on like cool projects and fun stuff that we think you should know about, or news in the crypto world. But yeah, you want to talk about money, get off this channel and go find someone that's hopefully licensed and deal with it that way at your own risk. Down below me, there's a subscribe button. If you haven't hit that already, guys, do me a favor and click it. Like I say every time, I check the analytics, and a bunch of you guys are watching but not subscribed. Really hurts me deep in my heart. Please subscribe. It's free. All you have to do is take your finger and click that mouse, and it's over. It's done. Painless. If you want to be notified when I release a video on this beautiful channel, then you got to click that bell. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button at the end, or you can hit it right now if you know you're going to like what you see, because it is the Crypto Bull channel. All right, guys, this is what we got for you. We've got Infinite Money Glitch. Earn Solana rewards every 5 minutes just by holding IMG tokens. Gosh, I like the sound of that. It's a simple graphic, but I dig it. And if you have epilepsy, please click off this website. It might trigger you. Every 5 minutes, holders receive Solana rewards automatically distributed to their wallets. And how does that work? System info. The IMG token uses a revolutionary reward system that automatically distributes Solana to all holders every 5 minutes with no need to claim. So this is the dealio. It's 5% tax is collected from every buy and sell transaction. The tax is automatically converted to Solana. All right. And then the smart contract distributes Solana to all holders every 5 minutes. Rewards are proportional to the token holding, or to your token holding. So here's the rewards calculator. If I have 100,000, if the Solana tax is $100,000, and I'm holding 1 million IMG, then I'm getting what? Daily rewards pool is $5,005. I'm getting $150 passively. That's legit. Sounds legit anymore. Anyway, it sounds too good to be true. Pretty awesome. So if I have Solana hits like, say, I don't know, just $1,000. Let's keep it light. You get $1.50 every hour. Hey man, after a while that'll add up to a tank of gas or a burrito. You never know. Don't knock it. What if it's like 100,000 and I only have 10,000 IMG? Oh, look at that. See how I am with math? It's still $1.50. So basically you got to have a lot of that stuff. But either way, it's $150 a month. Pretty awesome. All right, so why choose it? Because IMG token offers unique features designed to reward holders and create a sustainable ecosystem. Clearly. Contract audited and verified. That's good. So there's no back doors, no hidden fees, and all that jazz. Community owned. That's always good too. So that means that no team tokens, no pre-sale, and no max wallet limits. That 5% tax on transaction is automatically distributed as Solana rewards. The IMG token uses a revolutionary reward system that automatically distributes Solana to all holders every 5 minutes with no need to claim or stake your tokens. I really feel like there's a catch to this. It seems too good to be true, right? IMG token is designed to be fair. There's a 1 billion supply, 100% liquidity. There's a 5% on that's 5% on that tax. 100% on the fair launch. The true fair launch. 100% of the total supply is added to liquidity and at launch with no team tokens. It's a fair and community-driven token. We saw the automatic distribution. Kind of want to know, is that it? That's the bottom? I've reached the bottom? I guess so. Well, shucks. There's nowhere else I can go. Let's see chart. Let's see this. Wouldn't we be looking at? Oh, so we can get in. We can get in pretty low and see if we can ride one of these candle rises. Let's see, what am I on? 15 minutes. Let's see what we were like for a day. Bam. All right, it's brand new. So let's go back to it. Looks like a minute. Yeah, so it's things are happening. Things are happening. Super cool. All right, where was I? Yeah, okay. Bye now. Right on. All right. Well, it looks pretty interesting, actually. I don't think it would hurt to like throw some ducats in here, buy some of that IMG and see what happens, right? I mean, can't hurt. I mean, I would just throw in a tiny amount and see what happens. And then if it works, then throw in a whole bunch because that's passive income, and passive income is always good. All right, guys. Yeah, that's been my review. Quick and easy, to the point, guys. If you want to do the deep dive, remember that link is in the description for infinite money glitch, that IMG. Earn rewards every 5 minutes. My name is William. This is the Crypto Bull channel. You guys are amazing. Stay that way forever. Stay classy also, and I'll see you in the next one for sure. Peace.